Hey guys, today we're gonna do a review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These is the newest buds. As you can see, it's brand new and still sealed. I haven't even opened it up. So let's check out some of the specs. Now, as we can see, it's 11 hours of music. This is the longest buds, running buds that you can get for battery. Plus the case gives you another 11 hours, so that's pretty good. They also have two-way speakers, so they have a woofer and a tweeter, and that's gonna make sound quality sound the best. And everyone online is raving how good they sound, which is one of the reasons I got these instead of the AirPods Pro. Plus, the call quality has improved. In the last version, everyone complained about the call quality, so they added new microphones. So they have 3 triple mics, so call quality is really good, and everyone online is saying call quality is really good too. Plus, they're compatible with wireless charging. Now, let's open it up and check them out. As you can see, I got the cloud blue because I thought it would look the best. Now, let's see if we can open it up. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Here they are. Now let's take it out. Ooh, what's this? I mean, the case is a lot smaller than I thought. Here it is. Now what's this? Okay, we have some accessories and a charging cable, I think. Let's check it out. Now the charging cable is micro USB Type C. I love Type C. My phone is Type C, so right now I want all my accessories to be USB Type C. I really hate it when I buy something and it's micro USB. Now we got different buds, earbuds, so you can adjust it to your size. I mean, that's pretty good. Now let's check out those buds. Now it comes wrapped, so you could take it out. I just slide it out. There you go. Now it comes in this nice blue color. See if we can get it to focus. There you go. And it has the Samsung logo right there. Behind, there's that USB Type C. Now let's open it up. Check it out. Ooh. Now the color just turned green. I think it's trying to pair up with my phone. Let's see. Okay, you got a Facebook message. Let's turn on Bluetooth. And I'm using the Pixel 3. Pixel 3 XL. My contract is about to expire. So let me know in the comments below what new phone should I get. But we'll see. Or should I wait for a new iPhone? Or stick to Android? Now, I did just downloaded the Samsung Wear app, wearables, and I think that's the app you're supposed to use with the buds. So let's check it out, see if it works. Now get started. Let's see. There's the Galaxy Buds. Let's see if it connects. Allow. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it found it. Pair with Galaxy Buds? Yes, pair. Okay. Okay, the Galaxy Buds plug-in. You can see that's also necessary. So we're going to install that. And it's pretty quick. I think we got it. Now we go back. Allow. Just gonna allow everything. Okay, it's telling me about a feature that it has that I can let the sound from your surroundings come in. So if you're jogging and you want to hear cars coming, then you can allow that sound to go through. And I think we're all set. And let's see, I got an update. There's the new software. Let's do it right now. Install now. And if it takes a long time, I'm just gonna fast forward. Ooh, okay, finally the update is installed, and as you can see, it gives me the charge of each individual bud plus the case. So that's pretty good, and they're almost full, both of them, except the case is 59%. Now let's get to know the features. You can touch on the middle to play, triple tap, touch and hold. I'm gonna have to learn all those features. Triple tap, tap and hold for making phone calls. I hate it when you make a phone call and you don't want to make a phone call, but you make a phone call by mistake and they call someone. Okay, now let's play some music. That's what I wanted. Play some music. Let's see. And I have Amazon. Let's see, pop culture. Play some Lady Gaga. Let's see if we can listen to some good music. Ooh, I can hear it. And we do have a right and a left. Right there you can see they're clearly marked. Look at this, nice and shiny. But let's listen to that music. Okay guys, I have to say the sound quality, it's amazing. It's really good. I'm glad I picked these. I mean, it sounds really clear. The highs are clear and the mids are really good. You can see that, you can hear there's a strong music with like clear highs. The problem with like normal buds is they only have one speaker, and that one speaker is trying to replicate a low frequency and a high frequency all at the same time. So you're gonna get a lot of distortion, and you're not gonna hear some of the high frequency sounds because the low sounds just drown out the those sounds. So you're gonna get bad sound quality. But with these, you got two speakers. You got a mids and the tweeter. So the tweeter is gonna do the high frequencies, and the mids are gonna do your lows. So you're gonna get a lot better sound quality. I'm really glad I picked these. Now you're also gonna save $100 versus the Apple's AirPods Pro, and these are $150. The AirPods Pro are $250. So I have to say these are much better than the AirPods. My friend has the AirPods Pro, and these sound way better than those. Now, like I said, this is my initial review. I'm going to be taking these jogging, mainly listening to music. I might make a few phone calls, but not much. Mainly I'm going to be jogging and mountain biking while listening to music with these. So I'll make another review once I get used to them. Listening to the music right now, the music sounded amazing. It was really good. Now, I did shake my hand while I was listening to music. I was dancing and everything, and the buds didn't fall off. They were nice and really nice fit in my ears. They didn't fall off. They didn't wiggle or anything. They were tight and in there. So that was really good. And what else should I say? They have really nice battery life in 11 hours. You don't need more than that. I mean, you can charge them one day and listen to them for like 2 or 3 days, listen to music with that. depending on how much you hear, but I think these are really good, and they're super small. Look at that carrying case. It's really small. Now I didn't put them in correctly, but anyways, they're really good. I think I mixed them up. There you go. You can see it's charging now. There you go. Close them up, and that's it. And it's really tiny. Look at that carry case. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm going to make another review once I get used to them. Because right now I was listening to music and I was trying to press the buttons to increase the volume. But I didn't know what to press. So it was going forward a song and back a song. So I was trying to figure it out. But I want to be reading the tutorials on the phone and learning everything. Once I do that, I'll make another review in about a week or two. So let me know in the comments below you guys have any questions, and I'll put them in the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time.